So if we will first start with login system and then we will probably go into your sign up system. So this is our login system setup. We go to we come over here, refresh and it's not running. Let's stop running. Oh, sorry, I put it I put it over here. Okay, that's So now we have login. Now it's not doing anything. So why it's not doing anything? Because our action now is posting it, but in our main.py post, we can see that uh, we don't have any method to identify what happens when it's post. Okay, so whenever the login is true, login is valid, we want to post we want to redirect that particular user based upon their user type to their particular dashboard. So we have, if we check our database for our users, we check our database for users over here, new users, yeah. So we can see that we have users like server, admin, and customer. So we need three dashboards or three landing pages for each of these users. So depending upon the type, we have to redirect them to their particular dashboard, admin dashboard, customer dashboard, and server dashboard. Okay, so let's create that. Let's create a dashboard for them. So we'll create an so before we jump in, we will first create those app.route. Uh, we need to create three. We need three of them. So just this open method, home method. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is not going to be home anymore. This is going to be customers. Customer. That preferably you can write customer dashboard, but make things long or otherwise fine. It's just put dashboard. Dashboard. Customer dashboard. Customer dashboard. So you can see that my customer dashboard and my definition is different, but it will do the same. It won't affect it. And I will keep it this way and will show you it will help you give you some idea about the differences when you use request for and URL for. Anyway, so same way we create customer dashboard and the template also. So call it customer dashboard. So make sure the namings are the same as that you do. Uh, Go to templates, go to template and yeah, create one. Yeah, so we need a function. So def uh, and that. Okay. Same way we will create a dashboard for uh, admin and what is the one server? Yeah. So this will be admin. So this will just paste and create the admin dashboard template also yeah. And create server. Sorry about that, guys. I'm cold. Okay, so server dashboard also we need to so we have admin dashboard, customer dashboard, and server dashboard. In all, you will just create a same template for, and you will just take one. So welcome. This is an email customer, right? Welcome customer. Yes. So just copy this and paste it in all of them. Just change it to admin. Server. Admin server. Yeah. So all is done. And now we just run our app. So we'll just go over here and let's say it's slash customer dashboard. Customer dashboard. Okay, you are not found. It might be a spelling mistake. Okay, capital C. So default legacy spot copy pasted. Yeah, pasted and press enter and we get to welcome customer and then try to change it to admin dashboard. To say admin, welcome admin. So this is a thing we will create, but depending upon who the user is logging in, we need to direct them to that particular route. So uh, so depending upon who's logging in, depending on the user type, we have to redirect them to either either three of them. Okay. So going back over here, request dot post SQL. So I will just copy this and just copy this entire code. I hope you all have this code with you. So email password and paste it over here. Request dot email password. So from home, we are going to get the email and password. Okay, and then we will do a check if the user exists or not, and we will give those messages if user doesn't exist, this message and all. And if user exists, we were writing that user will exist. Right? Over here, we will name the change. So I will just copy this part also and paste it over here. Okay, so so this part, on this part, we will do the changes. Okay, so over here, we will if password is also there, everything is matching, then we will select the user type. So we will just type user dot type. Oh, sorry, user dot what what is the name that we chose? Yeah, it is user type. Okay, so user type. So user type. So we will just say if user type is equal to uh copy it from over here server and copy it because necessarily uh, redirected to redirected to the server, customer server. Okay, and so we need three LF user type. LF user type is equal to customer. Customer, where is it? Customer and else or LF type. LF, LF again user type equal to admin. So depending upon what is the user type, I need to redirect. So now to redirect to that particular route, this is something that so hold on a minute. So how did you open custom dashboard page? Yeah, so customer dashboard page, you just put the URL that you wrote for customer dashboard, that's with slash part and paste it. Is it okay? Indumati, you had a question regarding that.
Sir, in VS Code, sir, how to open it in VS Code?
Okay, it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And Arya, you were asking in the last class, I believe that what is the use of URL for and redirect. So today, you will get to know what is the use of it. So they will now import request and then redirect and then URL for. So these two modules you have to import right now. So we will learn how to use these two modules, redirect and URL for. And so in our server, we just put return and redirect URL for, and we will paste the function name. We will not paste the route name. We will paste the function name. So that is what means URL for this function. URL for this function. So that it will go to this function. So this is server, right? So server. So server dashboard. So copy this, paste it over here. Same goes for this one also. Enter and this is customer. So URL for customer dashboard. Copy the function name and paste the function name. As simple as that. For admin also do the same. Admin dashboard. Thank you, Hunter.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
No,
Uh,
it's okay, sorry.
sir, but the same thing we are also able to do with render template as well, right?
No, render template, yeah, you can do render template over here, but that is not advisable. Okay, that is not advisable because then you will see what happen is that your entire this code is going to become very long. So if you try it out, I mean, if you want, you can do it and try it out and see how long and messy your code becomes. This is a bit much more cleaner way of writing it. Okay, so whatever logic you write over here, render template. So before you want to render the template, you might want to write some customer logic over here, right? That okay, before I go to the customer dashboard, I need to do some check whether the customer is a banned customer or not, whether it's a premium customer or not, something, some sort. So this is not going to be this small function. It's going to be a very long one. Then it's going to create some problem. We'll show you one example. Okay, I will show you one example. Just uh, let me show you how this works. So we have created this. Let's let it run. Yeah, yeah. So go back. Okay, home. Refresh. Continue. User doesn't interest. So we didn't put anything over here. So let's enter an email from our server. So this guy is a server. This Carl. This guy is a server. We'll just copy his username, email, paste it over here, and then his password also. So password, I'll copy it from over here. You can do one thing. It's better if you keep password all the password is saved. Okay, and click on login. And you can see welcome server. Okay, so it redirected to the server page because this user was a server. Now let's try it out with some different person also. Try it out with this guy, Maureen, and paste it over here, and then again the password. Okay, this password is um, all password is here, and log in, and you can see welcome customer. So our login system is working. Our login system and distinguish between who the user is, the user type, and depending upon that, it's routing from uh, it's routing between these three routes: customer, admin, and server. So that is how you create a login system for your app for your users. Okay. Now, okay.